Welcome to Choice Champions. The best hat strap replacement is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of hat maintenance, but trust me, it can make a world of difference. Over time, the sweatband in your favorite hat can wear out, crack, or simply become uncomfortable. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hat strap replacements, exploring different materials, installation methods, and what to look for to keep your hats looking and feeling their best. Number 5. Penta Angel 8 Pairs Snapback Hat Replacement Strap. Looking for a way to fix your favorite hat? These replacement straps from Penta Angel are the perfect solution. They are designed to easily replace broken or worn-out hat straps. You'll receive 8 pairs of these black plastic snapback straps. This gives you plenty of replacements for multiple hats or future needs. Made from flexible and elastic plastic, these straps are built to last. They can withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring your hat stays securely fastened. Each strap features 7 holes and measures 2 cm by 7.7 cm. This standard size makes it easy to fit most snapback hats. These straps are great for DIY projects or replacing broken ones. If you're unsure how to install them, a quick online video can provide helpful guidance. What we like. This pack gives you 8 pairs, ensuring you're covered for multiple hats or future replacements. The plastic material offers good flexibility and elasticity. If you have several hats needing repair or want to stock up for future needs, this is a great choice. What people say. My work hat broke and it replaced it perfectly, definitely worth the money. Appears like a regular hat strap. Nice fit. Easy to install. Nice quality. Functional and worked. The only thing I did figure out was a tailor or seamstress did not have needles that would support penetrating the material. So they did recommend a local shoe repair shop. They did an awesome job. Worked well to fix ball cap. Number 4. Penta Angel 9 Pairs Snapback Strap. Is your favorite hat strap broken? Don't throw it away. This product is a perfect replacement, and it's easy to install. This pack includes 9 pairs of snapback straps, ensuring you have plenty of replacements. They are made of durable plastic, so they can last a long time. Each strap features a 7-hole design, allowing for an adjustable fit. This ensures that it will fit most hats comfortably and securely. Replacing the strap is simple and quick. You can easily repair your hats without any special tools or skills. It comes in 9 different colors, so you can match the new strap to your hat. This allows you to customize and refresh the look of your hats. What we like. This product offers a variety of colors to match any hat. It's made of durable plastic and easy to install. If you like to customize your hats or want to match your strap to your outfit, this is perfect for you. What people say. Worked great. My fiancé melted some on a light bulb, so I replaced them. Saves those favorite keepsake or just really loved caps. Easy to use, colors are great. They work perfectly fine. Only reason I didn't give 5 stars is because the colors just weren't vibrant enough for what I needed. Number 3. Zittop Snapback Strap Replacement, Black and White. Is your favorite hat strap broken? Don't throw it away. This is a simple and effective solution to repair it. These replacement straps are designed specifically for snapback hats. They are easy to install and will have your hat looking new again. Made from high-quality plastic, it's built to last. It's a reliable replacement for your worn-out or broken strap. This set includes both black and white straps, so it can match a variety of hats. They are versatile and stylish. The straps feature a 7-hole design for adjustable sizing. Simply snap it on, and you're good to go. Revive your hats with these replacement straps. They are a practical and affordable way to extend the life of your hats. What we like. This product offers classic black and white options. The design is simple and easy to use. If you are looking for a basic, no-frills replacement, this is a solid choice. What people say. The white set repaired my unit cap very well. Ordered this new one and it was easy peasy to remove the old one and sew in a new one. My machine sewed through them so easily. Cap was like new. Number 2. Anranmm Hat Strap Clips. Are you tired of losing your hat in the wind? This hat strap is designed to keep it secure. Made of durable polyester, it's perfect for outdoor activities. The strap is made of polyester with plastic clips and cord locks. It's designed to keep your hat in place during windy days and sports activities. You can rely on it to hold your hat securely without tying. The strap is about 40 centimeters long when folded in half. This allows you to attach it to your hat and secure the other end to your clothing. You'll never have to worry about losing your hat again. Each strap has clips at both ends. The alligator clips firmly fix the hat to your shirt, jacket, or backpack. This design ensures the hat stays put, no matter what you're doing. This strap is great for fishing, kayaking, camping, and more. It can also secure gloves and masks. When not in use, you can hang it around your neck for convenience. What we like. This product features an alligator clip designed to securely attach to your clothing. The adjustable length ensures a comfortable fit. If you are an outdoor enthusiast or live in a windy area, you should consider this to keep your hat secure. What people say. Pin it to your shirt and hat so you don't lose it. Simple clip design and reliable. Bought these to keep my hat on while jet skiing. Worked great. The clips attach fast and securely. This product will stop neck flaps from being lifted by a strong breeze. A simple and effective solution. Number 1. Sowaka 10 Pairs Snapback Strap Repair Buckle Extender. Are your snapback straps broken? Don't throw away your favorite hats. This product is the perfect solution to repair them quickly and easily. This Sowaka extender is designed for easy installation. You can easily fix your hats in seconds, saving you time and money. Each package comes with 10 pairs of extenders. This gives you plenty to repair multiple hats or have spares on hand. Made from high-quality materials, this product is built to last. It provides a secure and reliable hold, ensuring your hats stay in place. With this product, you can extend the life of your hats. It's a simple and effective way to keep your hats looking their best. What we like. This product comes with 10 pairs, providing ample replacements. The buckle extender design is easy to install. If you need a simple and effective solution for extending the life of your hats, you should consider this. What people say. No complaints, and I love the quality of the plastic and durability. You really do need a sewing machine to properly sew this in, but it's a great option to have rather than throwing out the hat. This is not an extender, it's a replacement. I was really glad they came in multiple colors, as it was a red hat. I was extremely happy with the price, and how simple it was to mend. No sewing machine needed, just a needle and thread. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.